All right, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics doing a little bit of maintenance on a 10K Onan generator. I'll turn it around and show you what's. So basically, we got some stuff over here. I'm going to do the air filter right now. That's the oil filter. There's some part numbers right there for you. Okay, so let me show you what you had to do. Well, the access cover comes off relatively easy, but the only thing on it that's easy, right here. There you go, RV Quiet Diesel 10,000. So it's got this locking mechanism on it right there. You push right there, and it pops open. All right. Now, I had to take this off. This is the old cooling bottle from the 7.5s and 8Ks. That's where the dipstick used to go through. So they're still using the same stuff, I guess. But there's 3 bolts up here I had to take off. This little holder right here was from the old days. The Brady coolant level check and all right here. So that slid out of there. I put it over there. And that is your air filter back there. Okay. You see the 2 clips, one right there, one right there. So I'm going to put you on pause to get it. Remember, there's 3 bolts up here. That's where the cap comes out of. It sticks out here. This is your mini and max level. Your minimum, which is the cold, and your max should be hot. Okay, so I'm going to put you on hold. Okay, this piece right here is the front cap. All right, and it says top. And this is what a duct bill is, and it gets rid of water and fluid that it brings in. So you have to check it. If you see, let me get a light on it here. There's debris down there. See that little leaf down in there? All right, so I'm going to take all this off, clean it out. As you can see, a lot of junk came out of there, and it gets caught in here, which stops the water from going out. Shouldn't be no water getting up in there, but hey, if it does, that's a lot. Most of it crumbled up when I took it out. So all that big leaf was down in there. All right, so here I'll show you the filter. So, here. A little bit of lackluster light here. That's the filter. All right, so I'm gonna stick this right here. There he goes. She's gonna come out. Yeah, she's been up in there. How many hours on it? 192. He had his fuel filter changed at 45 hours. All right, so we're gonna do that. This is the oil filter. Red, the fuel filter's down there, and unfortunately, the fuel pump, folks, which I hate to say, I might have to pass it on this because I don't have enough of lift to lift it. But see that black box back here I took the cover off of, right in there. The fuel filter's there. So all this is blocking it. I guess if this was a field generator, it wouldn't be that hard. They made it easier to work on in the field, not in an RV. Now, if that was one of these generators on the side here, it'd be a little easier. That ain't the way it goes in RVing. It's never easy, but it's fun. All right, folks. That was just the air filter, just a shorty right there, and I showed you some locations. And I'll get with you on the rest of the maintenance once I put that back together. All right, I knocked it out a little bit just to show you. Yeah, pretty good. That's a real fine dust, too. He was out in the desert somewhere. It was real fine. But here's the new one. Here's the part number, 140-3071. All right, so I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to prep to do a oil change. And I got to make a major decision. Do I want to pull this generator? Because my lift could barely handle the 7 and 8Ks weight. So I got to calculate it, figure it out if I really want to do this. I'm going to miss if I don't do this. I'm going to really miss it because I like this kind of work. Remember, the pump is down in there. All right. And this cover right here came off. So that's that little slot down there. If I could pull this out another 7 inches, it would be pretty good. I'm going to calculate it, figure it out, and see if I can do it, plus how I feel. And all right, so I'll show you the rest where I put the oil filter in and the oil, and then we'll go from there. All right, folks, and the fuel filter. All right, he has an external fuel filter. Thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What's the motto? Test, not guess. What were we working on? A 10K generator system and a beautiful. All right, I've had this one back and forward dealing with little issues of life. Hey, we're great getting older. All right, test, not guess. All right, may your campfires burn bright. Till I see you again, whether it's on a video, campsite, or on the road at a fueling station. Thank you very much.